Somewhere over here is a Tazzleberry in a snowstorm. Hey Taz, what are you doing? What are you doing? Hey. Taz loves this kind of weather. Hi! What are you doing? He also loves to wrap around his legs. Taz, what are you doing? Hi! The perpetual motion machine. It's like virtually impossible to catch this dog on video. Small spider loves snow. Taz. Hey. And our Christmas lights. Taz peeing. Hi, buddy. Hi. Hi. What are you doing? Oh, freezing out here. It's really, can't really see it, but it's really windy. We're supposed to have blizzard conditions, and we're nearly there. It's not deep yet, but it's really, really cold and really windy. He's calling the neighborhood dogs to see who answers. He does this every time he comes out.